Hello children. Children, now from your Value Education book, we are going to start chapter 13, Patience and Decency. So, manners, respect, decency, honesty, having patience, these are the basics of life. Good manners are your beauty. If you are able to stay calm and not getting angry, especially when there is a difficulty or whenever you have to wait for a long time, that is patience. So patience is the ability to stay calm and cool even if there are difficult situations. And a patient person is able to wait for a long time or accept the delay without becoming angry. Even now and then you have to wait for your turn standing in long queues. For example, when you're boarding for your school bus, reaching classroom after assembly, buying a ticket of the show, and so on. What do you have to do? Have patience while waiting in a queue. Do not push anyone. Wait for your turn. So, let us start this story. This is story of a Rajat, a boy who knows the value of patience. Rajat is never late to reach for taking school bus. As soon as he reaches there, he joins the queue for his bus. He waits till the bus is steady and door is opened by the doorman. After entering into the bus, he never rushes to grab a seat. Rather, he shows a after you gesture. Do you do that, children? It shows a good manner. Sometimes Rajat offers to give his seat to his teachers traveling in the same bus or adjust himself with other fellows. There is a water cooler kept at a common place for students to drink water. Rajat lets his fellows use the cooler tap before him saying after you. Also, at the time of entering a room or crossing a passage, he behaves patiently. Whenever he is accompanied by an elder, he walks a few steps forward to help open the door and lets the other person enter first. While at the dining table, Rajat waits till all his fellows are ready to start as well as finish their tiffin. Only then he goes to wash his hands. Besides having patience, Rajat always shows decency, that is honest, polite behavior, as I mentioned before. He follows accepted moral standards and shows respect for others in his every act. That is why he avoids backbiting, passing comments, taunting, making fun of others, due to the same qualities of him. You know what Rajat has been called? He is called a behavior expert. So children, have patience, show decency, leave the stress behind, relax whenever you are waiting in the queue, because decency and patience, having patience, it always takes you to the success ahead. Thank you children. Be safe. Keep smiling.